You know how it is. We out here, we're in a crunch, so we're starting with dessert first.
God damn! Dano got good. Quinn's gonna be so happy for me right now. It was like in a slide, but not. Yeah. Yeah, but.
Osborne out here killing it. All right, so
Sweaty bully.
we got here and we like fire drilled it into Danny's first run. So we out here, you know how it is.
We out here?
We finally dragged Merrick's bum raccoon ass out to come drive his freaking Miata.
Dirty raccoon lives.
So we got his Miata out here, dude, sick. And then we got Homewrecker.
Hey Daniel.
Hopefully I don't hit the wall this time.
Freaking sending it into walls.
Someone else hit the tire wall before me, so I think this, you know. Stop.
You're gonna drive, right?
I'm up next, and it's gonna be a good time.
Do you want anyone to ride with you?
I feel like you should have one, either you or Quinn.
Well, he can't have Quinn. It has to be me.
Well, that's fair. Yeah, Quinn's
What?
So if you want me to drive with you, let me know.
I feel like he doesn't have enough power to let anyone ride with him.
Okay, I give you that.
points.
No, it's not. It's not bashing him. It's a Miata. It doesn't need a lot of power to go fast.
That's a fair
solid
point.
89 horsepower.
So I believe in you, bro. You got it. And an open diff, you got it.
If you have any issues where you think that you need someone in the car and you think I can help, even though, you know, just pull into the pits or give me a call before you do a run, and then, you know, do a run, line up, call me and be like, hey, I need you next round, and then pull into the pits.
That's the only thing I'm here with.
All right. So Danny's ST broke for a couple of days, so we decided to put his M bumper on here, and it actually doesn't look too bad. But if it gets broken, then it dies. If it dies, it dies. You know, so that's how it be.
Bro, dude, on the last run, I hit so much dirt and rocks and stuff, and like it just got into the car. So I'm driving back and just clunk, clunk, clunk on the ground. Like,
dude, that first freaking run, you got a couple of those into the bus stop, freaking just.
I linked it.
Cherry, yeah, dude.
I linked it.
Hell yeah.
I actually linked
You might do better than me today.
You got it.
Yeah.
Let's get it done, boys. Almost. You know, this is a full donut.
Whoa, the camera mount came off. I'm about that. That was sexy.
What a guy. That was almost it. That was almost it.
How was that, my guy?
I suck ass.
Was that fun though?
Yeah,
It's daily, you know?
You have a good time though, yes?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'll come do it again.
Look, it survived.
Oh yeah.
Yeah? See, it's not as abusive as you thought it would be, huh?
No, it feels really bad actually.
I told Merrick
Were
that
you guys,
he just
were
needs
you
to-
guys behind me on my second or third one where I actually did drift?
Yeah, I saw. I was
I told
super
him
hyped.
He just needs to disrespect it. So he started to disrespect it.
No, wait, hold up. Before you get to that. So he was like, okay, so what are you doing? And I was like,
See those hands, man.
he was like, so what are you doing? He was like, so what are you doing? And I was like, honestly, I don't know. He was like, well, I mean, what are you doing? And I'm like, dude, I don't know. I got in the car, I went, and I just kind of like.
It was really good.
He was like,
really
I said
good.
the same shit.
I remember when I said that. Remember, you were like, "Hey, what are you doing?" And I was like, "I don't know, just."
Yeah? You were sliding that first corner, dude. I'm about it. With an open diff Miata, too.
On an open diff. with like 35 PSI.
Once you get that
Hype. Straight hype.
I only got one ride on though.
I
Yeah.
tried.
Oh, we were in line. We were line staging. I was like, "Hey, Merrick, this means you're fam."
Quinn's second run was perfect. Absolutely perfect.
I got one perfect run in.
Dude,
and it's-
I went for the handbrake entry onto the third corner to the Manji. I got it perfect.
Dude, I couldn't get the handbrake.
Got it perfect twice. I got it perfect.
For the handbrake to work at all.
You have to hold it. So I like held it
No,
for like
no,
3
I mean
seconds.
at all.
Oh really?
Yeah, it wouldn't work
Yeah,
at all.
it locked
Like,
up
I
fine
went,
for me.
and it just didn't even slow the car down.
Damn.
at all.
Maybe a triple.
I'm nervous. Howdly doodly, my dude. You got it, bro. The Cheeto's a nice, good little car, bro.
She treats me right.
She enjoys living, you know. And you've driven her before, bro.
I know.
Just take it easy. Okay, see what I mean? Okay, it comes around way fast now. Yeah, it does. Get it. Yeah, kinda, yeah. You need to stay in it more though. Yeah. But did you see how it wanted to stay out? Yeah. That's that diff. Okay. It wants to stay out. You just gotta give it the power to stay out. You know what I mean? Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy! That's what I'm talking about, my guy. Woo! You hear Danny? Yeah. Hell yeah. Nice, my guy! Fuck yeah. Nice! Yeah, dude. That felt good. That was sick, dude. That was it. That was it, bro. You clean that up, bro, you're golden. Hell yeah, okay. Now you can start cleaning that up. Alex got it though. He got it once. He got it twice. How was that for you, my guy?
That was what for me?
Drifting.
Drifting? It was fun.
Are you gonna come back?
Yes.
You gonna put the VLSD in?
No. It doesn't need it. You see what the guys that have the VLSD are doing.
Dude,
Yeah.
no, dude, the guys with the LSD are doing terrible.
You're just gonna slide it with open, like no cares?
Yeah, it does fine.
Yeah.
It does fine. I suck, but it does fine.
Yeah.
I was telling him, I was like, dude, if I hopped in your car, I could probably slap his pussy around.
Yeah.
I was like, what the f?
Yeah, so the door handle it stays open. And if it's open like this, you have to like push it down for the
like,
inside door handle to work.
Get me out of here!
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are